So after assembling it, with this thing here, after assembling it, I tied it with this like a Allen key. Now it's tight. I'll do the rest here, guys. See that? Nice stars. So they won't be wobbly when you put this in the ground. See? This is exactly the size of fit with the screws. I like this because I did it with my hand. It was tight enough, but it won't be super tight like this is now. See, they won't go anywhere else. See, this one doing by the hand, a different down. Doing it with this, it's all aligned. It's gonna go here. I think it's a bit crooked, this one. I think this is a bit crooked. Alright guys, I removed the other screw from the third one here, and then it's good now. So let's try to do it if it's worked. Yeah, it's worked. Before it didn't work. Now it's better. Yeah, it's tightened up. Make sure it won't go wobbly. See that? Make it tight, make it happen. Amazing. Yeah, just locked it. It's all locked. Yeah. Amazing. So this is gonna go to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Be patient with this as well. So guys, I finally finished this row. Yeah, this one will take a while before it goes to the fitting, but it's pretty easy. Yeah, let's go.